Hello and welcome back again, my friend, to the Bitcoin price prediction. So as you see that the weekly candle here, it finished and the Bitcoin give us a new high in weekly. So now where we are going, we are going to go to that 47k level as we've been saying here, or from here the Bitcoin is going to fall down to 36k. To know exactly where is the Bitcoin and the Ethereum going, make sure to watch the video from the start till the end, and please don't try to skip nothing, because even if you came and you ask me in the comment, I will not reply you. If you want to know exactly where is the Bitcoin and the Ethereum going, make sure to watch the video from the start till the end and don't try to skip nothing. So let's start our lesson of today. By the way, before we even start, you watching me now, are you not yet subscriber? Why, my friend, make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn bell notification on to receive all our latest updates and videos. It's not something hard, just a subscribe button down, click at it, next to it a bell, turn it to all, so like that when we put in a new video you're good to be notified. Or you can even join our VIP Discord and VIP Telegram, where we give a long-term day trading and swing trading signals in the Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies. So if you are interested, you can join us. The link is down in the description of that video. You done it? Welcome to the family. So guys, as you see that the weekly candle here, it finished and Bitcoin give us here a new high here in the weekly. So now where is the Bitcoin is going to go? We are going to go to that 47k here to know exactly what else we said here in the Bitcoin in the weekly, guys. We said we got here that flag here, show it to you before like that. I told you it's breaking here. So they've been with me, they remember that. At the second entry of us, it was from here at 25k, but the first entry of us, it was from down here. People, they've been with us, they remember all those things. Second entry, it was from here. When we break in here exactly, we enter a second entry because we used to have here that wage here, that the long-term wage here. Take profit for that wage, it need to be here. So those ones they enter here till 70k. That means the Bitcoin is going to go more higher than that. That just some summarize, guys. Another thing very important here, we show it to you here, because even that one we need to analyze it for long term. I need to bring it like that and to go back from here from 2016 till that one here 2019. Then also we're going to make those analysis. So also we're going to come, guys, as you see that yellow one here, we show you those things what I'm talking about. If we came to that yellow one, that one here, and you bring it here to the low of 2019, which is here, that one here, till the high here of 2021. So from 2019 till 2021 high. So that the move, as you see it, we bring it like that. And that one here, as you see it, we go back to 2016 like that, as you see, from the low here till that high here, as you see it. So those ones, as you see them, that the moves, the first one of the 2016 and the second one of 2019, because some people they said the Bitcoin it's been in the top in 2018, and here we've been in the top in 2021, but the bottom as we been now, it's been here at 2000, as you see it, guys. If we came here 2018 or 2019, because that place where we are now here exactly, it used to be December of 2018, and here down here we go back here, as you see it here, that where it used to be December of 2015. So we don't want to go back all those things. Now if we bring in those ones, if we bring in that one here of 2019, we bring it here, as you see it, if the Bitcoin make the same move like that one here, we're going to came more than that level me I told you, because me that level here I make it based on the break of that flag here, as you see it. I got it here with yellow, which is here. If we go up here, we're going to break even that 275, 252, that the target here, as you see it in front of you. And if we bring in that one here, let me back that one here for pictures get more clear to you. And if we bring in that one here of 2016 bull run, and we bring it and we put it like that, that one, the Bitcoin is going to go till $1,845,939. As you see it, we came here and we show you those levels together. As you see that the first level, which is here, as you see it, that if we making the same move like 2016 till 2019, we're going to come till $1 million, 800, very close to $2 million. If we making the same move of 2019 till 2021, we're going to come to that level here, as you see it, guys, 275, 252. I think picture is very, very, very clear in front of you guys. We explain to you everything, and those things, it will be for long term, it will not be for short term, so you need to be focused about those things what I'm talking to you. Now, without making the video too long, let's go in now to analyze for you the coming news for that week, because that week we got very, very, very important news, guys. So let's go in there to analyze it together. So let's go in there. Coming news for all the week, guys. As you see it, in Monday, we got 10-year bond expiration. A very, very important thing, guys, because that's the end of the year, so you need to be careful about that one. In Tuesday, what we got? We got core CPI or inflation data of USA. As you see it, the forecast here is going to come 3.1. The previous one, it used to be 3.2. So you need to be careful even about that one. And we got 30-year bond action for US bonds. Even that one is very, 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 very important news, guys. So be careful exactly for day traders. And Wednesday, what we got, as you see it, even Wednesday is a very, very busy day. We got the GDP of UK. We got PPI of USA, crude oil inventory, plus the Fed interest rate decision. And as you see it, the forecast here, the Fed is going to pause. There is no hiking. Plus what we got our friend Jerome Powell is going to come to us in a press conference. It's going to come at 7:30. So even that one, you need to be careful about it a lot, guys. Then in Thursday, what we got, as you see it here, we got Bank of England interest rate decision, the Eurozone interest rate decision. We got core retail sales of USA and the retail sales of USA, plus Christine Lagarde of the ECB or European Central Bank is going to come at 1:45 to talk in the press conference. So you need to be careful, guys. Very, 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 very careful that week. We got very major thing. We got the ECB or European Central Bank interest rate. We got the interest rate of UK, and we got the interest rate for USA, and we got the CPI data or inflation data for USA. You need to be careful, guys. I think picture is very, very clear, guys, here. Another thing we got here is our friend, the table of us. We're looking at it every day here. Look at it. All US stocks, they started green. By the way, if you want to see it, you just go to our other YouTube channel. Just search for it, Index Insider, and you're going to find it. Our friend here, VIX, very, very low, as you see it, 12.35. That's my scarcity. It's still very low, so there is nothing to be worried about. Now let's go in to see the Bitcoin, what it's doing today in the 4 hours. So let's go in there. Here we are in the Bitcoin in daily, guys. Here, same thing, nothing was changed. As I told you before, we came here. What I told you here, when we zoom it like that in yesterday video, I told you it's need the Bitcoin to break above here or to break lower here. And I told you even here, let me change that color. Even here, you got another inside bar. If you're looking at that green candle here and that red candle here, that red candle here is that in the range of that green candle. So what we need to do, if any candle came and closing below that level here, we need to enter a short. If any candle close above here, enter a long. So I think picture is very, very, very clear, guys. But me personally, I'm focused about the range of the one here and the one here, that candle here, because that one is the base. All those ones, they are smaller ones. You want to enter from here to here, or you want to enter more quicker. But me, I'm focused about the range of that candle here. That for the daily. And we got something important here is about the volume, guys. As you see, all those past days, when the market being flat here, there is no volume now. As you see, the market very, very low. And that moving average here, it given us where we are. Market, it's very flat. There is no volume. Only volume when the volume spike, when we move in that move here. So till now, we need to wait what the market going to tell us in the coming days and coming hours. And that week, as I told you, is going to be very, very dangerous week. So be careful, guys. Now let's go in to see the Ethereum, what it's doing today. So let's go in there. Here we are in the Ethereum price prediction, guys. Here, same thing. You remember that wage withdrawing here. If any candle came and closing below here, you can enter a short. If any candle breaking above, you can enter a long. But me personally, I'm not going to enter if it's breaking here because that one is very, very tight. I told you the reasons why, because that week it's coming a lot of news. So it's better we waiting that week to pass till next week. Me, I'm talking here just about swing trading. Next week, we're going to make a decision. Because why the market is very flat, because majority of the investors, they are waiting the interest rate, inflation, the press conference, all those things. So you need to be careful, guys. We are in the end of the year. The bonds of 10 years, of 30 years, they are going to expire. All those things, you need to be focused about it. Maybe you're going to see madness moves. So you need to be careful. Don't try to rush. It will come to you a next opportunity. Market is always giving you new opportunities, so be careful. So I think everything is too clear. Now let's see our indicator what's saying. Our indicator, I show you, we got here the divergence here, like that. I showed it to you before. And I told you if any candle breaking here, you can enter a short. So till now, there is nothing and you need to wait. There is no entry because of the divergence. You need the price action to give you the entry. I think everything is too clear. Now let's going to see the Bitcoin, what they're doing today in the 4 hours. So let's go in there. Here we are in the Bitcoin in the 4 hours, guys. Here in the 4 hours, same thing I told you. It's need a candle to come to break above or any candle to come to break lower here. Now, what the market given us here, market tried to give us here in 30 minutes a very, very clear double top there. But till now, us we still far away from the neckline to break down here. By the way, us we just enter a short. If you are interested to join us in our VIP Discord and VIP Telegram, we just enter a short as day trading. And that way, me every time I told you to join us. And us, we caring about your money. We follow it. We manage it. Same thing if you want. By the way, it's not expensive. It's only $10 or $10. If you are interested, it's only the price of a cup of coffee per month. The link is it down in the description of that video. Now here in the 4 hours, also we still waiting the break where it's going to be here or here. If we break in here, more long. If we breaking down here, we are going to catch that short. Till now, we still waiting. Market very, 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 very flat. Me, I have a short from yesterday. All the whole day market there going up, going down, going up, going down. So there is nothing. Also, we still waiting what the market going to do. Another thing very, very important here in the 4 hours. Let me show it to you in the Bitcoin. You remember that arc also withdrawing here, that one here with red. It touched here. Till now, when we used to be here, I told you the market is going to stay sideways till it will touch it. Then after it will move up. And that's what the market doing till now. The market showing to us we are sideways here. That's why me I told you if we breaking that last high, we are going to enter another long. Till we touching the top of that channel there. Like how we touch it here. Market was it done. It stays sideways here. Till it will touch in the lower here. Then after that move up. Same thing now. That's how it look like now. Because market when always getting far away from those things, it go back to touch it, and that's how it look like. So till now, us we still waiting what the market going to do here. When it touches here, maybe we're going to catch another long. I think everything is too clear, guys. Here now we're going to see our indicator what it's saying today. Our indicator, guys, as you see it, we got here a very, very clear divergence. Let me show it to you in the chart for pictures get more clear to you. If we came in the chart and you came to that high here, as you see it, that one is very low compared to that one. So if you came here in the chart and you draw in here a line between that one, and that place down here to that one here, you got a very, very clear divergence. Shall we enter a short, guys? Not yet. There is no entry short. Me, I told you that one is going to stay sideways till it will touch in here, that trend line here. Then after that, we are going to enter along that for swing trading. For swing trading, there is no short yet. We're still far away from the short, guys. And look at that here by your eyes. People, they been with me, they know those things. No controlling now. Look at the market here by your eye. Make it like that. Over here, they're controlling only the bulls. And down here, they're controlling only the bears. And that wall here in the middle, it's the wall between the bulls and the bears. As you see it. How long that market prefer to stay with the bears they are controlling. few times and it give us higher high. You see it or no? How long that market prefers to stay where is the bulls they controlling? Very long time, guys. So till now, us we still in a bull market. I'm talking here general market in the look of it as long term. For short term, yes, us we enter short and long. Everything is too clear. Now it's going to see our other indicator we're saying today, guys. That one here, same thing, guys. Also, we are here at the overbought area. Told we enter short. I told you if it fall down and breaking the lower of the double top here, yes, we can enter a short. Till now, we are not, and also we still waiting, guys. But the only thing I can tell you, there is nothing yet. You need to wait in more till the right time. Everything is too clear. Now let's go into 30 minutes to see what Bitcoin doing today in 30 minutes for scalping and day trading. So let's go in there. Here we are in 30 minutes, guys. Over here is only for scalping and day trading. Here we enter a short base on a long-term trend. It's being broken here at that level here, exactly here. That's why also we enter a short. Market try to reverse because me I came connecting all those ones like that. Market try to reverse here, give me a fake out here. I close the short and I open a long. Then what happened? I came to those lows, those ones here, because some people they need to explain to them those things like that. You see them, that one here, and that one here. I don't want to talk about the head and shoulder here. Market is breaking here, I enter another short. Look at it. You see it or no? That one very, very clear head and shoulder. It's getting broke here. That's why me I enter a short. I put stop loss here at that place here. I'm still waiting. I'm not a scalper, guys. There is a big difference between scalpers and long term because that level here is very, very stronger level. And you need to understand something very, very important. Bitcoin, when it's moving up, it moves with power because there is no one putting pending sales orders. When the Bitcoin is falling down, it's always falling down very, 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 very slow like that. Because why? You're going to find people they put in here pending orders. They put in here pending orders because they saw those levels like that. But the Bitcoin is going to fall down more than that. Maybe till here, maybe more than that. So you need to be focused, guys. Now here what we got at that place where we are, you can come and you make something like that. And here in the top, you make something like that. That if you haven't entered short yet, if it's breaking above here, you can enter more long. If it's breaking down here, you can enter a short. Now let's see our indicator what it's saying. Our indicator, as you see it, guys, it touch here the oversold area. Level also we are in a very, very stronger level. I'll show it to you in yesterday video here. Should we enter long? I just tell you, you came to that high here, that one here, and you draw in here uptrend and down here like that, and you wait in the break where it's going to be down here or more up here. Everything is too clear. So that's it for that video, and please make sure to support us by just smashing the like button, writing down a comment, and if you could even share the video, you done it. Thank you very, 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 very much, my friends. See you in another video, guys. Bye for now.